Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with Flowise AI. Flowise is an open-source, no-code platform that allows you to design and customize AI workflows visually. It works with LangChain components, which means you can build powerful AI systems simply by dragging and connecting blocks together. To begin, you'll first need to create an account. Once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll notice several sections like chat flows, agent flows, executions, and more. These are useful for managing your projects, but you don't have to start there. Instead, you can immediately create something new by clicking on Add New. This opens the workspace, where everything is built visually. This is where the real magic happens. Let's say you want to build a simple AI chat application. First, search for an LLM chain and drag it into the workspace. Next, you'll need a chat model. For example, you can select Chat OpenAI and place it onto the canvas. Once both components are there, connect them by linking their connector points. After connecting the model to the LLM chain, you'll need to configure it. That includes adding your API credentials and adjusting any necessary settings inside each block. Each tile can be customized depending on what you're trying to build, but you're not limited to basic chat systems. You can also create agents that perform tasks automatically. To do that, click the plus icon to browse available components. You can either scroll through categories like agents and chat models, or use the search bar to find what you need. For example, you could add a tool agent, then attach a calculator tool to it so the agent can perform mathematical operations. Simply drag the calculator into the workspace and connect it to the agent. Once you're done configuring everything, click Save. Give your flow a name, maybe something like Calculator Bot, and store it. That's essentially how Flowise works. You combine components, connect them visually, configure their settings, and build workflows based entirely on your ideas. The possibilities really depend on your creativity. I hope this overview helped you understand how to use Flowise AI. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.